Alright, these things never die. What are you? Oh, you son of a... I can't kill you. Oh, why is there a one... Okay. What is up, everyone? We are back with another episode on the Island series. And if you guys missed the last episode, I made one of the dumbest mistakes you could make, accidentally messing up my perfect tame, well, close to perfect tame, of a max level theory. So it was pretty of a bummer of an episode after being so hyped, but you know what? We move on. This is Ark. I have to remember that was kind of a bonus that we found him anyways, and we gotta continue with what we gotta do. And the next thing I gotta do is go get a mammoth. Because the weight on this theory is... The thing is, the weight on the theories are not great. They do harvest wood at a decent rate, but it's just not what I need. I need a mammoth, which decreases the weight of the wood, and it has great weight, and there's a ton of them out there. So my goal today is to tame one of those. So I think I have everything I would need to tame one of those, plus I have the 4 gates now, so we can, if we see another great theory or another great dinosaur, we can go ahead and tame that. So without further ado, I'm just going to get right into it, and let's go check out all of these mammoths. And I'm going to try and find a mammoth in the wooded areas around the mountain. I probably should check and see if there's better armor, because yeah, a lot of my armor's pretty hurt too. Because let's see, I'm just checking. I'm at 152 cold resist. I might need to make some fur armor to really be able to tame some of these guys that are in the cold areas. But there's plenty of them that are going to be on the outskirts, I believe, in this wooded area, and we should be okay. But we'll see. I mean, I'm not guaranteeing anything, that's for sure. Yeah, see, we're already ice cubed. Got a bunch of Daedons and wolves. Man, it's still pretty chilly in this area. Let's see, we got 50, 30. Where's that? Oh, that's a really cool looking RG. Pinky, I just want to check. Not that I would even tame it. It was a high level. What is that? Is that a Titanosaur? I think there's one over here. Yep, Titanosaur. Alright, I'm gonna get out of your way. Not someone I want to mess with. It's your Daedon. Alpha Raptor over there. This fog is kind of annoying. That's a real pretty RG. Of course, it's not great level. You know, another animal that would be really cool to get is one of these guys, a Megatherium. Level 35, that's not what we're looking for here. Megatherium's another hard animal to, I feel like, find a high level of. That one's got pink on it. Crazy. But, yeah, we'll got a couple more here. When you level 5. I really don't want to settle for a low level because there's just so many mammoths around. I feel like I should be able to find a decent one. So many wolves and piggies. And they all want to eat me. Bad things. Jeez. There's just no way. Over here. Wow, that's a crazy looking hanky. I feel like there was something over here. There. Little 20. $70. Get your Megatherium. 15. Should be another Megatherium, usually around here, but I'm not seeing it. It's that 85. Some more over here. 20. Yeah, this is tough. Like, this area is just so dangerous that taming these guys is not the easiest thing. Level 90. Because we gotta kill so much stuff just to even get a chance to taming these guys. 55. You know, another popular space is like the coast, because then it's easier to defend on the coast. The only thing is it's really cold up there. So that's like the question, is it's like, can I make it with the gear that I have, you know? Alright. Well, what I'm going to do is bring you guys back once we find something worth taming. Hopefully in a decent scenario. Alright guys, I am back and in a bit of a blizzard almost, actually. But it looks like I have found the culprit. It's a 140 right here, and he's actually right next to a lovely little rock that I'm going to stand on and hopefully cheese this as best I can. Alright, make sure everyone is on passive, and let's start pumping away at this guy. Alright, he's gonna be all upset. I don't think he can hit me off, or get up here, which is money for me. So now, hopefully he just kind of gets stuck, and then I'm popping him. Oh yeah, I know your friend is all upset too. I know, but for some reason this is a relatively peaceful area. Like, well, not peaceful, but like, you know what I'm saying. Like, we're not being attacked by a bazillion wolves right now, which is a good start. I missed him. Okay, where's he going? Where's he doing? What's he doing? I don't want you moving, bud. Come on, come back over here. Yeah, you want to get pissed at me. Come on, you want to be real angry. Yeah, you do. Come on now. I am right here, right in front of your face. Keep coming over here, bud. That's right, keep being mad. Keep being mad, come on. Oh yeah, I see you, bud. Alright, come on now. I see you running. I'm fine with that. Run all you want. Just don't fall off the ledge. Okay, good. Don't go in the water, please. That would be bad. Oh yeah, you're all upset. I just want to make sure this is the one. Yep. We're almost there. Not quite, but like, we're getting there. Getting close. We're getting there. Oh. Okay, I did hit him with that one. Gotta start lobbing these. Alright, come on now. Don't walk up too far. Up there, I think, is bad things. I don't want bad things. Oh, shoot. I didn't bring anything. Oh, you are going to be a problem. You are a problem. Come here, bitch. Get away from my fucking... You are a cool looking Argent. I need you to die. Unfortunately, these guys do not eat. Oh, I'm so dumb. I should have brought some vegetables. Alright. Weirdly peaceful area. Come on, give me some berries. Yeah, so this is how not to tame one of these. Well, I mean, the actual, like, standing on a rock works pretty good. But you probably should have something ready to tame for these guys if you bring them down. Because what I'm gonna do is put all of the berries I have and throw it in there, and then leave, so that nothing in the area renders. Okay. Let's see. Oh man, we barely. Yeah, I don't think that's enough. Come on, I gotta find some more bushes. Crazy is I'm ice cubed and I'm like not really dead yet, so I'm just kind of surprised. I was waiting to like struggle, but I'll take a 140, honestly. 140 is great, should be good stats. What are you? You're a baby, aren't you? Yeah, you're a baby, okay. That's fine. I keep tossing my Dimorphodon. Alright, now we can dump all this in there. I wouldn't think he needs more than this for berries. It's gonna take a while. These guys stay asleep for a really long time, so I don't need to put any narcotics in them. But alright, we're gonna get out of this blizzard and get out of this area. And when he tames up, we will come back and get him. Cryopod him up. And now this gives us a new thing to do. And that is to build cryo fridge. And then there might be a couple other electronic era things that we'd want to build that would make sense. Oh, you get some aloes. I hear them. Oh, right. Oh, shit. Yeah, this is bad. This is all bad. Oh, this is all bad. This is all bad. All bad. Come here. Come on. Come on. What are you doing, bud? Get up. Jeez, oh Pete's. Alright, that was dumb. That was dumb. Don't do that again. Maybe I learned my lesson. Probably not. Oh. I knew they were there too. I touched the water and I shouldn't have touched the water. I was trying to get in there, but yeah, that was just bad gameplay on my part. I knew better. Probably shouldn't be looking at mammoths just in case, because I don't need another one, honestly. Once I get a really decent one, I don't plan on breeding them or anything. I just don't need to. For the amount of wood you get, it's pretty freaking good. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna look anyways because it's gonna work. Yeah, I mean there's a 120 right there. I got a 140, so I'm happy. I have looked at quite a few Megatheriums actually. I'm surprised how many I've seen flying through here. But those guys have all been like, I think I've seen max level of like a 50. But I've seen like 5 or 6, which is quite a lot, honestly. They're not a common creature, so. But definitely one I want to keep an eye out for. Sometimes they really blend in well with the area. I should be looking at RGs too, but this is it's just not an easy place to tame RGs, so I try not to look at them. But I know this is like a super heavy place. There's a 15 Megatherium. What are you? 35. I probably should start killing the Megatheriums just because nothing kills them, pretty much. because nothing attacks them. Which is such a interesting fact about them, is that nothing attacks Megatheriums, so they don't really die unless it's like a Yudi or something, which I haven't seen one Yudi for some reason. I'm seriously considering doing a dino spawn just because I have yet to see a Rex or a Yudi, and it's kind of weird. Like, usually there's Rexes all over Carno Island, and I have yet to see one, and I've killed a bunch of stuff on Carno Island. And then, like, there's usually Yudis running through these woods, and I have yet to see one Yudi. I don't know, it's just weird. I actually want to go check one more area over here. Because there's usually always Yudis over here. And I know I'm ice cubed. I will head back to base here in a sec. I'm not that far away. I just want to see if I can see a Yudi, because it's just weird that I haven't seen any. There's a blue Megatherium. Oh man, if that was a high level Megatherium, brother, that would have been sick. Ooh, 125. I should tame that, but I don't think it's gonna die, so I don't need to tame it right now. Like I said, nothing seems to attack them. So yeah, we're gonna keep that guy chilling. Man, my health is definitely starting to die now. Maybe before I do a dino wipe, I'll probably have to tame that guy. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. Just so I have it. Like I said, Megatheriums, like high level ones, I've always had issues finding high level Megatheriums and high level Therazinos, and well, I found a max level Theri, and that's lucky. But yeah, I've never actually seen a max level Megatherium before. Alright, I'm gonna go back, since we have the time. I'm gonna go back, get some health in me. Once we get back to full health, go back with some vegetables like I'm supposed to, and tame up that Megatherium just so we have it, and then we got 2 great tames done for this episode. And then yeah, that should be a great way to send this off. I mean, maybe I'll go grab this drop real quick too. At some point I gotta build this wall though. I mean, that's what I'm planning on doing. As soon as I get the mammoth, we're gonna be building a big wall. It's gonna be the biggest wall you've ever seen. And the dinosaurs are gonna build it. And it's gonna be great. It's gonna be the greatest wall you've ever seen. I didn't really look. I don't think there was anything interesting in there, really. It's just food and stuff. Let's see if I was right. Gunpowder. Metal water tank. It could be useful. It will be, actually. I still need to make running water in this place. Oh, shoot. You are following me, aren't you? Come back here. I don't know why that dude was walking when I said to follow, because, like, what are you doing, brother? Alright. Let's get this in here. Drop that. This here. This in here. cool. I don't think I need... Oh, that's right. I was going to grab vegetables. Vegetables. That is a nice thing about going around and getting crops. Look at some of these taming things like vegetables. They're just real nice to have for taming. Alright. Let's go tame the Megatherium. And now I know it's a 125. It's not the highest level. But it's good. And the thing with like a 125 to 135 animal is like it can just randomly put a lot of those stats into one stat. And you can have an outlier of a good stat on those. Obviously, it's not as common as, say, if you got a 150, but there's definitely a chance, and it's probably a decent chance that you're going to have at least a 40 to mid-40s points in something that you would want. So, especially, and again, in my opinion, Megatherium is a hard animal to find, especially high-level ones. So, if you're able to get a couple like halfway decent ones and then just combine those stats, and that's the play. Alright, these things never die. What are you? Oh, you son of a... I can't kill you. Oh, why is there a one? Okay. Alright, guys. Well, this got interesting. How do I want to play this? How... Oh, you dumb Daedon, don't die. You have no friends with you. I guess I didn't really wait to heal up, did I? Daedon, do not die. Please do not die. Alright, eat that shit up. Okay, yeah, he ate that up. Alright. Oh, what do I do? Okay, I have an idea. So, I can do this a couple different ways. I think this... because I can pick Daedons up, I'm 98% sure. Pretty sure I can pick Daedons up. So, what I'm gonna do is grab the pin, the 2x2 pin, which I wish it was bigger, because it's not a lot of room for error, but it'll have to do for now. What I'm going to do is just build a pen. It's got to be semi-close because he's going to be biting me the whole time, and I can't just like eat all of those hits or take all those hits. Oh, this is really interesting. Okay. And like I can't really like drop them in the water on accident, like, because that would be really bad news, because then I'd have a fun time trying to get them out of the water. Man, where do I want to do this? And I need to heal bad. Come on. It's quiet over here, but there's some like wolves and stuff. Get out of here, babies. I don't care about you. This may not be the safest area, but it's gonna have to work. Oh, this is kind of sketch, not gonna lie. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. All right. Watch, I won't be able to pick him up. I am 98% sure I can pick up a Daedon. Not that. I thought he was right there for a second. All right, Dinkleberry, where are you? Oh yeah, you're already getting fucking fights. Okay. it's a 120 mammoth, of course you would find a 120 mammoth to fight. Trying to kill this mammoth, man. This thing has health for days. Alright, eat him, please. Alright, and if you want to come after me, you can. I'm fine with that. Alright, thank you, bud. Thank you, Ada. Alright, come here. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is where I gotta... Timer right there. Oh, wow. Okay, perfect. Oh, it does not get much better than that. Holy cow. Alright, and I'm dying. Oh, and free prime right here. Would you look at that? Okay, even though these guys eat like a bazillion amounts of meat. Alright. But I want you to stand guard. Come on, don't die now. Don't die. This is not the time to die. Come on. Oh, this is getting intense. We got a couple tames going on at the same time. It's pretty fun. Alright. I just need to start rapid firing these. Oh, of course, I miss. I don't think the RGs are gonna mess with them. They might. I can probably take them out though. Because I also want to tame other things around here. So it kind of messes up some things. And my health is going way down. Jeez. So many things to think about right now. I'm just waiting for wolves to show up behind me. And my stick seems to be sticking. That was a wolf swimming in the water for a second. Oh, RG, stay over there just until... Let me tame him or knock him out, and then I'll deal with you. Come on. I'm nearly dead. Jeez, oh peas. Come on. Jeez, I'm just trying to switch back quickly. Come on. I gotta knock him out before I die. And I can't. Oh, I missed. Come on. Oh, you freaked me out. So the plan is. All right, sick. All right. Boom. We're gonna kill that baby as well. Come here, little guy. Come on, fucker. Out of here. Come on. Turn around, come on. Get over there. Oh, we are almost dead. We'll get him the rest later. I need to go get out of this area so I can live. Alright, come on. Let's go. Get on. Get out. Let's go. Why? Oh, I must have gave him my meat. That's hilarious. Don't know how. Why do I not have any? Oh, maybe I ate it all? Alright. Now, I think I'm far enough away that I'm out of render distance, but I don't know if I have enough food in them, because those guys eat like crazy. Like, it's actually insane how much food they eat. Yeah, like, he took a bite and it was 1.4%. Yeah, so he's gonna eat at least 100 pieces of meat, which I think I had in there. actually have wood that I need. Alright, wood. Yeah, health is already coming back, so that's good. Give me some meat, bud. I need some meat from you. Oh, that's not a ton. But, alright, I think I have some in here. Wow, I'm really low on meat for some reason. I apparently need to go kill some more things. I do have some in here too, yeah. Okay. Light fire. Alright, sick. We'll get that stuff all cooked up. Yeah, so I guess I'm not using these vegetables right now. I will. So, plan is pick up the Daedon, pick up the trap, and then bring him back. Where are we at? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. I want this. Okay. Get some health regen going. Man, this is getting spicy out here. I need to put you standing guard, by the way. That's what your job is. Go tickle anything that gets near my base. Ooh, a couple trikes. What levels are you guys? I don't really need them, but I always like trikes. 50. Ooh, 3 trikes. So 35 and then 95. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. And we are low on space too. Yeah, we're gonna need some accommodations for anything else, which is fine. I could make, yeah, I know what I'm gonna make right now. I'm gonna make the cryo fridge right now because I can. Get that thing set up so that I can, whenever I cryo these animals up, I can go get them. Alright, cool. Cryo fridge is activated. Mammoth is doing well taming, so is the Daedon. I kind of want to go back once I get to okay health out the and check out the Daedon. Dang, we got a lot of water in there. Yeah, I just put this out to collect rainwater, and it's getting a whole bunch. I will do the whole thing where you, like, you know, put some a tap in there and get some running water going. It's just hasn't been in the main priorities yet. We got so much going on. All right, so what I want to do for you is just keep bumping the weight right now. I'm gonna keep that. This. Honestly, I just need to kill more things because I need meat. Probably shouldn't cook that much meat because I probably need to give it to. I know, he's got enough meat. I can kill stuff over there. He'll be fine. I'm gonna keep talking to myself. But I do need more actual food to eat. Yeah, I want to put these. I want to put this prime in his inventory. So we'll head over there as soon as I get decent health. Yeah, I'll get out really well before he's finished taming. I'm just getting rid of some of this stuff. Put this stuff in where it needs to go. Man, this is an exciting episode, guys. I don't know about you, but like, I'm having a lot of fun. Things are popping up everywhere, and I'm like, man, I need to get that, and I need to get that. It's a good time. Okay. just about 3/4 health. I'm gonna eat more. Let's see, I can probably eat one more thing. How are we looking? I guess I can upgrade. Fortitude. Where are we at? I didn't check what level that was that we upgraded to. What is it? 72. Okay, we're at level 72. Spinal saddle. Oh, I just killed a spinal. Okay, cool. Let's head back over there. Near full health. I'm gonna throw this prime in there. And the mammoth tame. So what I'm gonna do is throw the prime in, go grab the mammoth, come back. He should be tamed by the time I come back. Assuming he has... Really? I'm hot? I'm right next to the ice, bud. How am I hot? Arc, man. But basically what I'm going to do is grab the mammoth, come back. Hopefully the Daedon's tamed by that, and then we're going to tame the... what's the other thing I was taming? The sloth. I can't think of his name right now. The sloth thing. We gotta tame the sloth. Oh, I don't have it, actually. You have it. Please don't get attacked. I don't need you to right now. It's not something I'm really excited about. Oh, you're almost done. Jeez. Oh, and you have plenty of meat in you. You're good. Yeah, just keep eating the prime. Cool. Is there a drop or something right there? Why is it lit? It's probably a graphical glitch. Yeah, see, there's a whole bunch of bologna sandwich over here that I do not want to deal with. Hey, there's a Quetzal. What's up, buddy? Someday when we get net guns in the game, I can tame one of those. I'm not going to do the whole shoot a... Yeah, like the whole follow thing. It's just insane. I don't know how people do that. Where you basically strap yourself to an RG or via a grappling hook or pterodon and then follow it and shoot it as you follow it. Like that's... I can't do that. I'm not that talented. Yeah, so we're just gonna go. What I want to do is regain health at about 1,000 meters. No, stam. Sorry, regain stamina at about 1,000. That's about it right there. Okay. So that we can go all the way in. Quick, put them in a cryopod. Get them out of there. Yeah, Daedon's already about done. Cool, Daedon is tamed up. Yeah, I'm just going directly to... I love how I can't see a damn thing. Kind of sketchy. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I heard. Okay. Oh, fuck you. Oh, okay. I thought you were the one. Oh, okay. Yeah, just deal with you real quick. Come here. Come here. Let me deal with you real quick. Alright, because like they don't let you crab pot a creature if they get injured real quick, so. Alright. Let's do this guy. Crab pot, boom. Alright, sick. He's popped in. Let's go get the dead on. Let's get out of here. Man, you just can't see anything. It's crazy. The only reason I know where I'm going is because I'm going towards those markers. Whatever the best way it is. And I have to kind of go around this mountain. That's the only reason I know where I'm going. Yeah. We're already pretty far into time for this episode, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna grab the Daedon, we're gonna grab the mammoth, we're gonna get the sloth another day, the Megatherium. I don't think he's gonna be going anywhere. They really do not really die ever. See, it seems like in this game, because nothing really attacks them. So we're gonna come back in another episode and grab that guy probably, but yeah, I think just time wise it just makes sense to end off the episode pretty soon here, and after we grab the Daedon, get the mammoth out, and check out some stats and end off the episode there. But heck yeah, guys, like honestly, intense episode. And I mean, I'm about to almost die again from being cold. I really need to either make some fur armor or find some in a drop, which I haven't yet. And it's really weird because I usually do get fur armor by now at least once. Oh, I didn't really check. You're probably good. Okay, cool. Stone foundation. Grab you. And let's go. Man, I haven't been able to pick up dinosaurs. It's just so nice, man. So helpful. All the way back home. I mean, honestly, we are just racking in some quality dinos. Daedon, great boss dino for healing. We'll probably end up getting another one to mate with it. Get some really good food stats. Oh, and there's a red drop. Yeah, I need to go check that out too. So I'll probably end the video off and then go check out the red drop. But man, what a day, guys. Let's obviously we got the Daedon. I'm just curious, what did we got points wise in the food? 36, okay, not great. 44 health though, that's pretty good. Okay. Solid Daedon, not gonna lie. But the real reason we went out was for this big boy. Or girl, I can't remember. I have to look at it. So let's throw it out. Ooh, brother. Let's go. Weight's 30. That's kind of disappointing, honestly. I was really hoping for low 40s. But you know what? We'll make it work. It's 800 weight, and they take a lot off of wood. And that's going to be what we're using to help build the wall. So, if I can get over whatever little minuscule ledge that is. I think I'm going to end off the episode here. We got 2 great dinos. We got another one that I'm going to look to want to grab in one of the upcoming episodes. Also want to build the wall. So, honestly, it's going good. And if you guys are liking the stream or the videos, feel free to like it. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, always appreciate it, man. And until next time, I'll see you later.